Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's look, I'm going to be doing this eye right here. It's very summer vibes, perfect for the summertime, and I did this specifically for that. I feel like I haven't done a look like this on my channel, and I also did a cut crease. I hope you guys are excited to see my cut crease in action. I haven't done one in a really long time, so I'm very happy on how everything turned out. Everything you guys need to know, I will have it down on the description box like always. But if you guys want to learn how to recreate this summer eye peachy watermelon, I don't know, eye look, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I'm starting this eye, but for this summer makeup look, I'm going to be using these ColourPop Creamsicle pressed powder palettes. I'm going to take this shade right here in these little quad palettes, which are so cute. This one is called On a Stick, and what I'm going to do is just blend this all over the crease for the transition shade. I'm just going to kind of build this shade up, take it far up like this. And I'm taking it with this BK Beauty 202 brush. And I'm just gonna simply just blend the shade all over the crease to really get in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a different brush, more dense brush. I'm gonna take the same palette and I'm gonna be applying a Dreamful, which is the shade right here. I'm gonna be adding this on the outer part of the eye. And I'm just going to really focus this on the outer corner. We're gonna build that outer corner. I really want to do that. The camera's picking up the shade, but it's really pretty. It's kind of like a orangey pinky shade, which I really like. Okay, so I have both quads right here in front of me. I'm not sure if I want to use the same pressed eyeshadows from the palette, which are very beautiful. This one is more of a pinky tone, which I do like. Or should I use this one right here, which is more of a copper pinky tone? Like, look at that. I think I'm gonna go in with that one. It looks like more vibrant, doesn't it? But since a lot of you guys requested to do a cut crease, so I am gonna do one today. So concealer. I'm gonna take this Kevyn Aucoin concealer. What I'm gonna do is kind of go down. This is my technique, by the way. Down like this. And what I like to do is kind of look like that, straight on. And whatever hits right there. That's where I'm gonna create the crease. Really easy step. I'm gonna go down like this. And I'm gonna do a half crease like that. Will look best on me. And then with a different brush, right here, this is a Persona brush. Now I'm gonna just blend the edges so we don't have any harsh lines. I'm gonna now set right here. So now I'm gonna take this ColourPop E24 brush. I'll just link it down below, but I'm gonna take Iced, this shade right here. What I'm gonna do is start to press this on the lid. And we're gonna do it really carefully down here. I want this color to really stand out. See, like a watermelon kind of eyeshadow. So I want to do is take a different brush. This brush right here. This is a Morphe brush. It's really tiny, and I'm gonna take the shade right here. And what I'm gonna do is kind of like scope. It really just, it's such a tiny brush that it really does apply exactly. It knows what it's doing, you know? Just, oh, so nice. Such a really nice brush. Versus the other ColourPop, that one's a little too big. Just gonna really kind of ruin the eyeshadow. So what I want to do is kind of move it like this. So good. So now I'm going to take the Creamsicle palette and the shade right here, I'm just going to kind of apply it there. Good. Okay, so y'all don't have to do this step, but I feel like if you do this step, you're just like me and you like to be extra as fuck. But I'm going to do a brown eyeliner looks like this. This one right here from the palette, from the other palette, the Mocktail palette. And what I'm going to do is just create the liner. Since it is a little dark, it's going to create that really nice dimension that we want, really nice dark. And you guys don't have to do this step, like I said. I just feel like it's going to add a really nice touch to the eye look. And these palettes are definitely a must. They're so little, but you can create such a beautiful look with these palettes. They're so little, but so useful, you know? And if you're boldy like me, I'm going to take this shade, a lighter shade, like that, and you can really pop this in here. I feel like it really does create this kind of 3D kind of look. I don't know if that even changed anything, but I hope it did. I just want you guys to get creative with makeup, to be honest. So we're done with this eye. I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I already have this eye done. I'm pretty much done with the eye look. I don't know if I should put my eyelashes right now or after the fact. Maybe after. Yeah, I'm going to put my lashes after. So I'm going to go ahead and prime. I'm going to be priming with the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. This was one of like my OG primers that I would always use because it's so affordable. Well, it's 18 bucks, but I mean, compared to a lot of primers nowadays, I mean, this one's like a really good price. And also, since it is like a summer kind of look, I do want my skin to be very dewy. It's probably not the best idea because of like the sun, it'll probably melt your makeup, but I don't even think that it does that to my makeup. Like, my makeup melts. You just have to really prep your skin really well. By the way, I took the makeup eraser from Makeup Forever. It's the dullness eraser, sorry. And that's it. So now I'm gonna take the Milk Hydro Grip Spray. You guys know I love taking this to kind of add like a extra layer to the skin so everything can just grip onto your face. I feel like I want to have like a girl talk with you guys. I have so much to say. I would love to do like a girl talk, like giving advice, dating advice, because I don't know if a lot of you guys know, but I did have like a really long relationship, almost 10-year relationship, and I would love to also get feedback from you guys, like what's it like to date again after the fact and stuff like that, because honestly it's kind of like hard not to go back again and care for another person. I don't even know if that's I'm like making sense, but yeah, let me know if you guys want like a girl advice, and maybe we can like, I don't even have to do my makeup, or I can like get drunk and shit. I can really just do that for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. I feel like I got pretty good advice when it comes to like long term, because I already know what a long-term relationship looks like, that maybe I will give you guys good advice on what not to do or what to do to keep the relationship, your relationship, you know, fun, and you know, like things like that. Like, I would love to do something like that. I think I am. Like, even though you guys probably are gonna be like, no, like who has time for relationships? But I feel like I do want to do that kind of video for you. I think I'll be fun. I'll be fun. So now I'm gonna put on my foundation. I've been loving this foundation from Givenchy. It's the Prism Libre Skincare and Glow. I do 2 pumps and then I just apply it all over my face. Looks like a lot, but it's not like a lot, trust me. And like I said, this foundation is medium to full, so it's not gonna really be super full coverage. Oh, and this sponge right here from Sigma Beauty is bomb. Like, this gets in here, like especially if you're doing your concealer with this, it gets in. What am I saying? Oh my god, my skin looks really good. Even though I've been wearing makeup like a whole like week straight, which I never do. You guys probably think I do, but I don't. I always let my makeup or my skin take a breather because it's so good for your skin to, you know, be without makeup, and I love doing that. Now I'm so used to it. I used to actually always apply makeup every single day, but now I'm just like, I can't anymore. Like my skin doesn't allow that, so I have to really take breaks throughout the week so my skin can breathe a little, you know. I have like, when I start to have anxiety, I always pick up my nose and like bite on my lip, which is such a bad habit. Very emotional right now too, to be honest. I'm very hormonal right now. I am not feeling myself right now, for sure. I hate when this happens, like when you are like starting your period and you don't know how you feel. Literally, it's annoying. You still gotta look good. Still gotta look good, feel good. Because when I look good, I feel good. Period. I don't care what anybody says. Maybe it's different for you, but when I look good, I feel good. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my concealer. So I'm gonna be taking my Kevin Aucoin concealer. I've been really into this concealer lately. It's been my favorite to conceal, to brighten, to pretty much hide your bags. It's crazy. It's so full coverage. That's why I like to add, like, spread it around so I don't add too much, because this is, whoa, very full coverage. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend it out with my Sigma sponge. So now I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 190. I'm just gonna apply this on the inner corner, a little bit on the outer, down the bridge, as well, and forehead. I just want this to be a little lighter. These areas, I feel like it really does make a huge difference. Okay, so now for contouring, I'm going to be taking these Persona Bronze Multi-Sticks. These are bomb, you guys. I tried them already and I really like them. And I love applying it with this Real Techniques contour brush. And what I like doing is actually getting the product out from the contour stick, and I like to just kind of bronze my face with this. I actually like taking both shades, Dune and Sahara. Sahara is the one that I just applied right now, and now Dune just adds a little bit of more warmth. They look really natural on the skin, by the way. So now I'm going to do my cream blush. I'm going to take my Milani Cheek Kiss blush in Nude Kiss. These blushes are bomb, you guys. They're so pigmented. I really do recommend these cream blushes. They do like the same job as a like high-end cream blush, you know what I mean? Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Mist Spray. I'm just going to Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this look. I freaking loved how it turned out. It's very summery, like you can definitely wear this out, especially right now since it's summer. You know, you want to go out, you want to go have some fun with your friends, family. This is such a perfect look for that. So yeah, you guys, if y'all like this look, give me a thumbs up. If you guys liked what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the notification button so you guys can get notified every time I upload new videos and new content. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all on my next video. Bye.